Want a stunning logo for your business without any design skills? In this video, I will show you how to turn a logo you like into a custom design using AI. Easy, fast, and free. Let's create something amazing together. Alright friends, now I want a logo for my business. It could be a logo that I might have seen in an urban environment, like on city banners and posters, and I like it. Or I might have come across a logo on the internet, maybe on Instagram, Pinterest, or through a Google searches and found it appealing. You must absolutely take a picture of the logo you liked and keep it. If it's from the internet, make sure to take a screenshot or download the logo. So, the technique I'm going to teach you later in the video will be suitable and useful for you. So, what's the first thing we need to do? For example, let's say I want to work in the technology field. I go to the Google and search for technology logo and browse through various logos. Or I go to Pinterest, type in technology logo and see all kind of logos. Suppose I like this theme of logos and want to use this style for my business. Here I will show you a few logos. For example, this one uses the letter F. There is the letter I, the letter A, the letter M, the letter S, and the letter D. The first letter of my business is B, which stands for bestaphic. I want the design to feature the letter B instead of D while keeping this style. So, what should we do now? The first step is to go to the website ChatGPT.com and enter the prompt I'm about to share with you there. I will put this prompt in the description for you so you can easily use it. I wrote this prompt here in Notepad. I like this logo. Now, which logo am I talking about? This one. We need to give this to ChatGPT because I like this letter and I want my letter B to be somewhat like this. Here is the full prompt. I like this logo and I want you to give me a prompt of this logo aligned with style, color, style with details for the letter B. So that I can have an attractive logo like this and be sure to write the word bestaphic under the logo in the style color that you designed the logo. I copied this prompt and paste it here. Now it's written out for me. Next, I need to attach the logo I like. I click on this add button and click upload from computer. Navigate to the folder and upload the logo I like here. I wait for it to upload and then click generate. I wait until it gives me the desired prompt. Alright, as you can see, it provided my desired prompt. Now, I select it, press Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy it, then go to the ideogram.ai website, sign up and create an account. Because Ideogram is a website that's really good for logo design. I just paste my prompt here in this section without doing anything extra. You copy that prompt and paste it here and then click on generate in this section. One interesting thing I wrote in the prompt was asking it to design our letter B similar to the letter D and place the word bestaphic underneath it. Let's see if it gives us such a logo or not. As you can see, it gave me 4 logos. Here is the letter B. It's created for me with bestaphic written right below it, as you can see. This one also shows the letter B with the word bestaphic below. And similarly with the others, you can simply remove this lower part and keep only the top part with bestaphic and letter B. This one as well. For example, I will choose this one because I find it really appealing. I will download it, and as you can see, I have downloaded this letter B with bestaphic written underneath. Now, how do you download it? Click on these three dots, then click Download JPG. Here, where it says 17% quality, you should click it. If you want 100% quality, you will need to use the premium version. This is the free version. As you can see, we can use this logo in office stationery, at our workplace, or anywhere you like. With the prompt that ChatGPT provided, it gave us a highly accurate result. We were able to place it on the Ideogram website, which is truly amazing for logo design. You can use it to design your logo without needing any logo design knowledge. All you have to do is take a picture of the logo you like, write the prompt I have put for you in the description, upload the file of your desired logo along with it in ChatGPT, and it will give you a prompt. Then place that prompt on the Ideogram website, click Generate, and it will provide you with such great logos that you can use it in your projects. Thank you so much for staying with me until this point in this video. See you in the next videos, and goodbye.